Welcome to lecture series on data structures. In today's lecture series, we will discuss about the application of graph. So far we have discussed about what is graph data structure, what are the various terminologies we use in graph data structure, types of graph, and how do we represent a graph with the help of adjacency list, adjacency matrix, and incidence matrix. We have also seen how to traverse a graph using breadth first search and depth first search, and we have seen about topological ordering of vertices in a given graph. And we have seen how to find the shortest path using Dijkstra's algorithm, and how to find the minimum cost in establishing a network with the help of a minimum spanning tree. So these are the topics we have discussed so far. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the application of graph. So let us empathize on where do we actually apply graph data structure in our real time. So here we have two examples. So first, picture is obviously very clear. It is a representation of social media where all the contacts in a LinkedIn, let us take LinkedIn as example, where all the connections are established between different people or different entities. So here the figures represent the entities, and the lines represent the connection between these various entities. So these entities shall be treated as vertices in graph, and the connection shall be treated as edges in graph. So social media is the best example uh, of where our graph data structure is applied in real time. These are some other examples of graph in networks. So in case of networks, graph plays a vital role. It is used in transportation network, where the road networks are considered as vertices, and the road segment between the intersection are treated as edges. So Google Maps, Bing Maps, and all the other map programs make use of graph data structure in identifying the shortest path to travel between places. And let us take the molecular structure. So molecular structure also makes use of graph data structure for its implementation. Let us take this example, propane, which contains carbon and hydrogen molecules. So the molecules are represented with the help of vertices, and the bond between the molecules are represented with the help of edges. So now look at this figure. Uh, the molecules carbon and hydrogen are represented in the form of vertices, and the bond between carbon and hydrogen is represented with the help of edges. This is the most common problem where graph data structure is applied, map coloring problem. So this coloring problem, it is a famous four color theorem. Uh, so here you want to properly color all the regions in a given map such that no two adjacent regions will have the same color. Only you will be using at most of four distinct colors to map all the regions in the given graph. So this is what graph coloring problem is all about. Let me repeat the problem once again. You are given with a map, and you need to color all the regions in the map. So while you are coloring, you need to make sure no two regions have the exact same color, and all the regions has to be colored with at most four distinct colors. So here is another application of graph. It's traveling salesman problem. So here you want to visit all the cities to deliver the items. So as you visit the cities, you want to find the shortest route that connects all the cities. So this is what traveling salesman problem is all about. Here comes another application of graph in networks, which is airline network. So flight networks are utilized with the graph theory. If an airline want to connect n number of cities in the most efficient way possible, such that the passengers need to take only fewer possible trips to move between places, it makes use of graph data structure and find identifying the possible path. It is also used in GPS, Google Maps, Yahoo Maps to find the shortest route to travel from one place to another. In the car navigation system also make use of graph data structure in identifying the shortest route. So graph theory it is also used in configuring the networks in for example it is used for in all kind of topologies, be it bus topology, ring topology, or star topology. Graph theory is used in all type of topology in configuring given network. Each device or a router can be considered as vertex, and connection between the devices is considered as the edges here. It is used in database and where for it is used for representing the entity relationship diagram, and it is also used for representing the dependency between the tables in a database. And in case of social networks, it is uh, used for establishing the connection between the friends where each user is considered as vertex, and when a particular user connects, they create an edge. So social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn all make use of graph data structure. So far we have seen what are the applications of graph, and one major application of graph that we have discussed is map coloring problem. We have also seen how graph is used in networks and connectivity, where it is used in establishing the RLAN network and in establishing computer network topology and establishing connection between users in social media. And it is also used in molecular structure and optimization problems such as traveling salesman problem also makes use of graph data structure, and it is used in computer field and in car navigation system. So these are the various areas or wide range of areas where graph data structure is applied in real time. Hope you had a better understanding of the application of graph. In the next lecture video, we will discuss with some other topic, interesting topic in data structure. So thanks for watching. Here is for an assessment for you to work on. So let me read out the assignment before winding up this lecture. So a network administrator wants to find the most efficient route uh, to to send a data packet from one server to another. So here the network topology is represented as weighted graphs, where the weights represent the time taken for a packet to travel through the given link. So of the four algorithms that are listed here, breadth first search, depth first search, Dijkstra's and Prim's algorithm, which one will the administrator use to find the shortest path? So it is for you to discuss and identify the answer. So thanks for watching the next lecture video. We will discuss some other interesting topic on data structure. So thanks for watching.